If I didn't have Simpro today, there would be a lot of paperwork. So my role in the business is mainly marketing, and I look at the numbers. I'm a bit of an innovator, so I like to keep ahead of the bell curve in terms of software and what's going on in the marketplace. Simpro crossed my path a few times over the years. We weren't actually ready to take on the complexity of it. In around 2018, we needed to grow, and we couldn't grow without better technology. So then we made a choice to go to Simpro, and the rest, shall I say, is history. So in terms of teaching people, that's the easy bit. It really made a difference to us. We could add in so many more extra jobs. The productivity of the people within the office improved. Simpro is so integrated in our business that it's our central point of truth for everything. We're understanding how the assets work more and more, and how we can make things more transparent for the customer so they can see asset history and what's going on. We have customers that are very proactive, and then we have a lot of reactive work as well. But almost 80% of our work is recurring maintenance, and the rest is reactive. So the maintenance plan has been very integral in our company. Look, it's been great and seamless, and everyone wants to help us. Nothing's a burden. We use quite a lot of the Simpro features. We don't just dip our toe in, we're all in. The customer success team, amazing. Following up, just making sure everything's on track. The engineers, awesome. I cannot fault the support we've had. It's just been a breath of fresh air, I think, and how Simpro can help us grow the business is to make sure that they're keeping ahead of technology. AI is a really good example. Over the next 12 months, it's just booming, and there's a lot happening in that space. And I think if Simpro can keep evolving the software so that it's ahead of the bell curve as well, it will help the businesses who use it keep ahead of it. And then we're not trying to have to learn a whole bunch of new stuff all the time. I learned a lot just from other businesses as well, because you get quite a bit of tunnel vision about how you think things might work in your own business. But when you start talking to other business people and they have a different view on how something might work, and you go, oh, that's actually a pretty cool idea. And then you start thinking how that could work in your business. If I didn't have Simpro today, there would be a lot of paperwork, a lot of humans running around, moving paper around our office, and we would be very inefficient. And my life would be a nightmare.